Now we are going to get the random colors. Let's create another new function, random color generator. This function will generate random colors when user will be click on the shapes. Variable letters. This will create letters from 0 to 9 and English letter A, B, C, D and E, F because color code contain these letters. Dot split function will separate each letters. New variable color is equal to hash because every color code start with hash sign. Create a for loop. Initial variable is equal to I is equal to 0 and this for loop will be run when I less than 6 I++. The for loop will execute from 0 to 6 i.e. 6 time and will pick a random 6 letters to generate a random color code. Math.random function will pick the random color code from the array of letters. Math.floor function will convert the decimal number into the whole number. This will pick the random color code from these 16 letters. The function will return the color. Let's write the statement document.get element by id shape dot style dot. We want to change the background color of the shape is set this background color is equal to the random color generator function. This will generate a random color of the shape. As you can see, every time user will click on the shape, the random color is generated.